All right, we're going to finish the M&M lab today. Yesterday you got your data, you got to eat some candy. Now you need to graph all your data. The trial numbers are going to go along the x-axis, and the number of M&Ms are going to go along the y-axis. For the scale here, anywhere between 5 to 10 M&Ms per line would work. So if you go to page 2, we're going to skip question number 5 right now. Real quick, I want you to answer the first part of question number 6. It says, after each time you shook the cup, approximate the percentage of M&Ms that landed with the imprint of M facing up by looking at your table. So give me a guess. What do you think? Okay, now we're going to actually calculate the percentage of increase. So now they give you the formula here, new minus old divided by the old amount. And we're going to write it in this table. We're going to keep the percentage in decimal form. So to start with, trial 1, you had 3. That's your new number. The previous trial, 0, is your old number. So 3 minus 2 is going to be 1. And then you're going to divide that 1 by the previous number, 2. So 1 divided by 2 is a half. So you're going to be 0.50. 2 decimal places, please. Round if necessary. Now, on the second trial here, we have a 3. The previous trial was a 3. So what's 3 minus 3 is 0. And then 0 divided by the 3 is still 0. On the next trial, trial 3, the new number is 6, the old number is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3, divided by 3. That's 1. That's a 100% increase. 1.00 is a 100% increase. Write it down. On the fourth one, we have 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 divided by 6 is 0.5 again. That's a 50% increase, the 0.5. Now, finish your calculations. Yours will be different than mine. And then if you stopped at 9 trials, you need to calculate the average of all the percent. So you're going to add up all those numbers and divide by the number of trials you have. So go ahead and get that done. And then once you're done with that, you can go to the decay numbers.